Hi, this is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and these are two of Lenovo's new convertible sort of two-in-one notebooks. On the left we have a Lenovo Yoga 311, and on the right is a Lenovo Yoga Flex 11. You can tell they both got 11.6-inch displays, but the one on the right is a much larger system. If we put them sort of down and side by side here, you can see that it takes up more space. It's got a thicker case. They do both sort of have these 360-degree, maybe Nicole can help me here. You can fold them over backwards, you can use them in tent mode, they both have similar hinges, but we've got a thinner system with an Intel Core M Broadwell processor, a fanless design, and an IPS Full HD display, as opposed to a display on the Flex that has significantly worse viewing angles, as I just now noticed. A 1366 by 768 pixel display, but a starting price of $399 versus $799, you sort of get what you pay for. So now you have more of a range of options. Now there's larger models. They do have a Flex 14 and 15 as well, and it's not a bad looking device in terms of sort of the touchpad and the keyboard. They sort of have a similar look and feel, but if you do go with this this fanless Core M model, you do get something that's a little bit thinner, a little bit lighter, has thinner bezels, and a higher quality display. So that's a sort of quick overview of the difference. Lenovo's launched a ton of different two-in-one devices here. I'm a little bit overwhelmed, and I'm probably not going to shoot videos of all of them, but here are two that I think do a good job of showing the difference between a more premium model and a more entry-level model. Another thing that I noticed here is that the Flex has a lot of flex. If you push down on the lid, you can sort of see that it flexes in here, whereas we have a much more solid construction here on the, a little bit, but not so much on the Lenovo Yoga 311, which starts at $799. So those are the two 11.6-inch models. As I mentioned, there's 13 and 14 and 14 and 15-inch models for the Flex. The Yoga 3 also has a 14-inch model, which Lenovo says fits in the same sort of size case as a 13-inch. I'm not quite sure I believe that, but it's still relatively compact. You see the bezels here on the side are a little bit thinner than on some of the other models that we've seen. So a lot of two-in-ones. You can find more details at liliputing.com with all of the specifications, screen resolution, sizes, prices, and so forth. This is Brad Linder with Liliputing.